What are you doing?
I'm composting.
Oh, I know what composting is and why we do it. But how are you doing it in such a small area?
Nice question. So all you need for composting is 4 minimum things. 1, a couple of medium to large size pots. 2, soil. Any soil will do. Any clay soil, just remove the stones from it. 3, a bucket to mix the soil with water. And 4, you need a couple of spatulas like this. 1 to mix the soil and 1 with preferably holes in it so that you can use it to drain the soil. How do you start the process? You line up one of your pots, just empty it out, line it up with soil at the bottom, probably an inch of it, then put all your vegetable shavings on top of it. So anything will do. Cauliflower bases, just try to break it up into small pieces so that the decomposing becomes faster. Carrot bases, banana peels, watermelon skins, anything at all will do. Just don't put any cooked food in it. No cooked vegetables or anything, and avoid eggshells. Both of them cause a stink in your compost. And over a period of time, if you find your compost starts to smell very bad or anything of that sort, just reduce the amount of water you are putting. Leave it moist but not wet and not dry either. So the vegetables decompose faster once you add soil and water to it. And on top of this, just put some more soil mixed with water. And you are done with the process. Once you do this, the bugs won't even know that there's vegetables underneath this mix, in the vegetables or fruits under this mix. And over a period of time, a couple of weeks later, you'll find that your soil and vegetable mix becomes as fine as this. So you see, this is soil that you can use for potting. And the leftover water, this water, you can actually use to water your plants. That's compost enriched water. So you're not wasting anything at all. You just don't have to feed empty water to it, just plain water. Just use the compost filled water, rich water, and you're done. If you find that there's lots of bugs around, or for any reason there's centipedes or anything that shows up, just spray some hit around your pots. So just go around your pots and spray a little bit. That will keep the bugs away. So as you can see, composting not only saves you from throwing out lots of garbage in your trash bags, saving plastic of course, you're actually using the leftover vegetables and feeding it back to the plants. A win-win for everybody. Thank you very much and enjoy composting.